The Iridium Certus 9704 module supports satellite IoT applications requiring reliable data transfer, analysis, and automated decision-making. With robust message sizes and a compact, high-performance IoT module, the Iridium Certus 9704 allows you to reliably deliver diagnostic data, images, and audio files even in the most remote environments. Whether it's sending instructions to deployed sensors off the grid or delivering critical data from remote assets, the 9704 is a perfect fit for a wide range of industries and environments. Jumpstart your next-generation satellite IoT development with the Iridium Certus 9704 Developer Kit. It's your plug-and-play launchpad for learning how to take advantage of this module's unique capabilities. When connectivity has no limits, neither does innovation. Start building with the Iridium Certus 9704 and take your ideas anywhere.